All right, here we are again. We're going to try to generate a script for a Facebook Live today to promote a product called UpHex. Let me see, I already tried this once and it didn't work how I wanted to, but we're going to try it again right now and see where we get. Because I can't talk to my phone while I'm recording, I've already went ahead and did this. I said, write me a script for Facebook Live to promote uphex.com as a solution to realtors to run their own ads without paying for an expensive agency. And let's see what it can do. I'm hoping that it can pull some information back from the URL that it can use in the live script. Good morning, realtors. I'm here with you to talk to you about a great way to advertise your business without breaking the bank. Introducing uphex.com, an online marketing service that puts you in control of your own ad strategy. With UpHex, you can create and manage your own ads, track the performance, and make changes on the fly, so you know exactly where your money is going and what it's achieving. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use, and all the features you need to succeed are built in. UpHex is the most affordable solution for advertising on the market, so you know you're getting the most bang for your buck. So what are you waiting for? Try uphex.com today. Start taking control of your own advertising. Thanks for tuning in. Not horrid, not quite what I would like. I guess I want it to try to maybe tell a little bit more of a story. So let's see if we can modify that prompt a little bit to get a better result. Write me. All right, so write me a Facebook Live script to promote a service that allows realtors to launch their own ads without paying expensive agencies or um, into Ads Manager. Tell me a story using, let's try to make it use Ada. I don't know how this is going to work. Let's see what comes back. All right, so there's the first one. Hey everyone, today I want to share a story with you about how you can make your life as a real estate agent easier by launching ads yourself without spending money on expensive ads or getting into the complex ad manager. I know how complicated creating campaigns and leveraging Ads Manager can be. I also understand that working with an agency may not always be the most cost-efficient route. Plus, the agency might not take time to truly understand your needs and attract the right kind of audience. Well, what if I told you there was a service that allows you to launch your own ads without spending a dollar? The service that does all that hard work for you and will make you capture the attention of your audience. That's where XYZ.com comes in. Our service lets you set up your own ads quickly and easily without the need for complex systems and costly agencies. We'll show you how to market yourself to the right audience and get more conversions. So don't wait any longer. Head over to XYZ.com and get started. We're here to make your life as a real estate agent easier, more cost efficient, and most of all, to help you succeed. Thanks for listening. See you soon. All right, so that's actually really good. A couple of things we need to correct is, I mean, it does cost something. So we without spending a dollar, we're gonna get rid of that because we don't want to mislead them. Um, and then we'd also have to, xyz.com. We don't necessarily want to send them to a URL. We want to send them to kind of a consultation so we can talk to them about what it is, maybe show a demo. Um, might even actually be willing to send them over to like a webinar that demonstrates the product and service. And then we could maybe use a Myaiteam to actually write our webinar for that. But this is really good. So there you go. That's how to get it to do some really good copywriting for you so you can use it in the process of your lives, short form video, use it on your landing page videos. Um, yeah, here we go. I'm going to save that.